arc welding. The name manual metal arc welding comes into the picture. It's because of it. This welding process completely done manually. In most of the welding in applications, this welding process completely done manually. Means that we are going to fix the electrode, we are going to create the arc, we are going to fix the workpiece, we are going to fix the earth, we are going to fix the current, we are going to fix the control power sources. So here, this SMAW process is completely manual. So it is known as manual metal arc welding. Means next one is it's flux shield arc welding means that the electrode which is used here is the flux core rod. I will say it. Okay, so this is a flux core rod. This is the simple diagram where this is the workpiece where we are going to do the welding process. Okay, here welding process. So in this, this is a transformer or it's a power source. Okay, this from here the power source. It is there are two polarities. This polarity is mainly determined based on the welding method property. The workpiece property. Okay. Here I will take negative as this workpiece. Now negative I will connect this transformer and the workpiece or the where we are going to build it. So here the positive polarity I will give it to the electrode holder. This is the electrode holder and the electrode holder will hold the electrode. So here it is arc welding means. So what we are going to initially we have to do is if you take a battery, if you make the positive and negative touch each other, it will create a spark. So this spark here it is the same way. If we are going to scratch the electrode with the workpiece, with the earth source, this spark will be created. This spark, once we are going to maintain the spark is converted into arc. So first is spark, then it is the spark in turn is converted into arc. So once the arc is created, this arc will generate the heat to melt the electrode. So the electrode will be deposited at the welding area. So the first one is that so this electrode here. So here it is the electrode and it is coated over it. This electrode will be again it is coated over. Okay, so the electrode is this electrode is melted and it is coated over. So the electrode will be coated over. Okay, the main thing what you are going to see is that this electrode is a shielded electrode. Means that this electrode is coated with the flux. So here once the electrode is taken to the point, so electrode is fixed in the electrode holder, then we are going to start the working process. So once the power is on, the transformer will divide the polarity. The positive polarity is the electrode holder, negative polarity here. So once you are going to touch it over, it will create a spark. Then the spark is created the arc. So the arc will move. Once the electrodes move, the main thing for creating that type of arc is that it is known as weld gap. So the weld gap is nothing but if this is the plate, we are going to create a weld gap of around less than 3 mm. So if it is more than 3 mm, the electrode gap will be higher. Then we will not create this spark. If it is too low, if you are going to touch over if you make to touch this electrode over the plate, then it will be short circuit. So we cannot weld it. So the thing is that the main important is that we have to have iron hand coordination to make it the electrode gap, weld gap around 3 mm, 2.5 to 3 mm, so that we can create a perfect weld. So it will be welded. So here the next thing what you are going to see is that the electrode is going to happen, the welding is going to happen, but in that there is another process which is going on. The main thing is that first the electrode, okay, the electrode which is flux which is shielded by the flux. Okay, see this is the one. Okay, we are going. This is the earth which is going to connected. So once the transformer is started, see once the transformer is started, okay, we are going. This is the electrode holder, electrode, and the welding is going to happen. Okay, see here the electrode has two things. The first one is the electrode has two things. One is the core metal. See if we are welding, if for example take this is a plate and this is the mild steel plate. So we have many liberty to choose the same metal as the electrode, or sometimes based upon the application we can choose the electrode with the different chemical composition. Means that we can't go to aluminum. For mild steel we cannot go to aluminum electrode to fill it. For mild steel either we can go for this, if this is for example if it is 304 stainless steel, we can go for 316 stainless steel or 308 stainless steel. We can't go to 202 series. So 202 series will be a different series of stainless steel. Not higher, but which is similar. Which is very good. Yeah, which is the similar thing we can move on, or we can go to very different chemical composition. So this is the electrode. The main thing for electrode is one, it will carry the radiant current. Second